Another collapsed lifter probably. Let's find out. Okay. Taking all that out. This was the one that wasn't working. Exhaust manifold, intake manifold, alternator wires. Lots of things. So after all that, cylinder head. You can see these were the back ones. These were the front ones. Let's see if you can find the fault. This lifter collapsed, so that's the noise. Just keeps hopping in there. Now you know that's the problem.